morning, everyone. Today is October 4th, Monday morning. I'm gonna film this vlog in English for two reasons. One is that my semester's gonna end recently, so I won't have chances to practice my English speaking skill about 3 months. So that I'm gonna film this vlog in English to practice English speaking skill. And another reason is that I think it's much more easier for me to film in English and then edit Chinese subtitle under my vlog rather than speak in Mandarin and editing English subtitle. Yeah. And then I will have class on 11:30 this morning. Before that, I will have a recorded lecture. So I might have my breakfast first and then watch my recorded lecture. Yeah, I think that's all. Bye. I already finished my breakfast and then I'm gonna have my recorded lecture now, because actually on my timetable it shows that 9:30 a.m. I will have a lecture for an hour. Yeah. I just finished my lunch and then I'm having my studio class now. Yeah, and we are like having a presentation. I think it's like next Thursday, I think. And next week is our last week of this semester. So I'm gonna do the presentation now, like the practice stuff and also the slide for my presentation next week. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. I just have my yogurt for my breakfast, and then I think that when the yogurt mixed with banana, it tastes like cream cheese. Yeah, a bit, I think. I'm having my typography class on 8 o'clock, so I'm now ready to have all my courses.
Because this patch here feels a bit flat, so we should so maybe you need to think about the actual spacing and scale.
I do that because it's like a clock, and then you can see the number besides the G is like 1, and that way is for 1 o'clock.
Yeah, which I like, but I feel like again, it feels repetitious, very repetitious, so I'm not getting excited, but there's no depth.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Good start, Jenny. Good start, but I think you can push this much further, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Let me download.
Actually, my typography teacher is like really patient and give me a lot of like perfect advice during when I'm doing my work. I just have no idea that what kind of style and concept my spaceman book is gonna do, so I'm a bit worried about it because we need to submit like 2 weeks later, and it's kind of a bit hard to for me to redo all the templates, but I'm trying my best to do this, and now I'm gonna having a look at other spaceman books, maybe giving myself some of the ideas, I think. Yeah, that's all. It's 4:15 p.m. now, and I'm gonna go exercise with my dad. Good morning, everyone. It's October 6th, Wednesday morning. I'm going to have my publication design class this morning, and it's very early. It's 7:30, so I wake up very early, 1 hour earlier than the class started, to have my breakfast. Yeah, and I also have a part-time job this afternoon, so it's quite a busy day. Yeah. Actually, before this class, I didn't recognize that it's a big deal if you didn't use paragraph style when you editing your magazine in InDesign. But I'm trying my best to align them, and I can't do that, so I open a new files to find how to align them, and also ask my friend who is in Melbourne now. She gave me a lot of good advice. Thank you. Hi, good morning, everyone. I just finished my toast for my breakfast. Actually, it tastes really good when strawberry jam mixed with cream cheese, so you guys can try it. I'm having my class on 11:30 this morning, but I'm gonna do the assignment which from yesterday. Yeah, from yesterday. I also have my part-time job today. But after today, I have a day off on Friday, so that's really great. Actually, I'm having my annual body check next week. I'm not sure how to say it in English, but yeah. And then before we having that body check, we need to like fill up some form like this, and it needs to take like almost 10 minutes for me to complete it. So I just finished one of my assignment, and I submit it to I sent it to my teacher and asked for some advice, and now I'm going to fill my form. Yeah. Hi, good morning everyone. Today is my day off and I have nothing to do. It means that I don't have classes and part-time job today. But I have assignment to do, and after lunch my dad will take me to IKEA to buy some stuff like my chair, because I want to change my chair for quite a long time. And yeah, I think that's all. And now is 8:26. I'm gonna have my breakfast first. Hi guys. Actually, my dad and I decided to go to IKEA in the morning rather than in the afternoon, because he said that it might be fewer people in IKEA. I agree with that, so we decided to go now, and I'm picking up my shirts. I don't know what to wear. Yeah.